A CCC legislator aligned with the opposition politician Nelson Chamisa has called on the nation to flock to the streets and demand democracy. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates from Zimbabwe. A tweet by Prince Duveko Sibanda said, "It's no longer time to beg him. It's no longer time to dialogue with him. Our target is to completely remove him and the entire system. The street will resolve our problems. We need to push. Freedom is here." In today's news, a mass protest against Mnangagwa on the card. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and tap the bell for notifications. Until next time.